Hello and good evening to Dr. Nur Hidayah and all my fellow friends. Today we will present about high protein diet. Before we start the presentation, let we introduce ourselves. My name is Edelton Bicin and my group member is Amruddin bin Jamir, Muhammad Zarif bin Zamuddin, Rina Mani binti Ramsah, and Shazina binti Jafar.
Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Rina Mahani. I will be a first presenter. Protein made up of many building blocks that called as amino acid. Human body needs a dietary protein to supply amino acid that function for our growth and maintenance of body cell and tissue. Human bodies are made up of 1,000 different proteins and each of it has its own specific function, which is make up the structural components of our cell and tissue, as well as many enzymes, hormones, and active proteins from immune cell. Protein is essential for cell and tissue growth. The required intake of protein is particularly important during periods of rapid growth or increased demand. What is protein? Protein is a macronutrient that is essential to building muscle mass. It is commonly found in animal products, though it also present in other sources such as nuts and legumes. Protein can be found in plant and animal-based food.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shazwina. I will explain the type of high protein. The first is nuts and seed, which it provide numerous health benefits such as supporting cardiovascular health, reducing the risk of cancer, and assisting in the control of diabetes. Nuts are good source of plant-based protein. The second is yogurt, soy milk, and milk. Not only are dairy foods like milk, cheese, and yogurt excellent sources of protein, but they also contain valuable calcium and many are fortified with vitamin D. The second is egg whites. Eggs are one of the least expensive form of protein, while egg whites contain some of the egg's high quality protein, riboflavin, and selenium. The majority of an egg's nutrition package is found in the yolk. Number 4 is beans of all kinds. 1/2 cup of beans contains as much plant-based protein as an ounce of broiled steak. These nutritious nuggets are inexpensive and loaded with fiber to keep you feeling full for hours. The next is beef. Avoid drowning your meat or poultry in high-fat sauces such as cream, gravy, and butter. Try marinades made with lemon, garlic, yogurt, and herbs and spices to get maximum flavor. Cooking methods to try that require less fat, such as baking, broiling, grilling, roasting, and barbecuing. Next is cheese. Most of us would agree that cheese is a good source of calcium because it's made of milk. Cheese is also an excellent source of protein, calcium, and several other nutrients. In addition, chicken comes in a variety of cuts, including breast, thigh, wings, and drumsticks. Chicken breast is especially popular among bodybuilders and those who want to lose weight. Next is fish, which is tuna and salmon. Fish are good source of protein, but even more important and excellent sources of omega-3 fats reduce the risk of heart disease. Lastly is tofu. Tofu is high in protein and contains all of the essential amino acids your body needs. It also provides fats, carbs, and a wide variety of vitamins and minerals. Research has shown that a high intake of legumes, including soy, is linked to lower rates lower rates of heart disease. Thank you.
Hello and hi everyone. Let's continue to function and benefit high protein diet. The first one is muscular development. Combining resistance-based activities such as weight training with higher level of protein intake is proven to stimulate lean muscle development. Your body is constantly breaking down muscle and rebuilding it, especially when doing weight-based activities. If you are consuming enough protein and providing the body with amino acid to help repair and grow your muscle, then over time you will increase the levels of lean muscle mass in your body. Number 2 is reduce calorie intake. Protein-based food tend to be more filling and satisfying, so eating more of them in your diet can result in fewer calories being consumed. Reducing the total amount of calorie eaten every day can help you manage your weight more easily. Number 3 is stronger tendons and faster recovery from injury. If you supply the body with protein after your workouts, this helps strengthen and repair the tendons and other connective tissue, so your body has less chance of injury and is better prepared for future exercise. Number 4 is gain more strength from your training. If you are involved in activities that require a certain level of strength, then expect your strength level to increase with increased protein intake. This is due to the combination of extra muscle development and quicker recovery from your training. High protein diet provide more energy for helps you do hard training. And the last one is increase overall daily calorie burn. Your body will utilize a lot more energy to break down and digest protein properly than foods lower in protein such as fats or carbohydrates. That's all for me. Thank you.
Next, we will continue with effect of high protein diet on our body. There are several effects of high protein diet on our body. The first one is weight gain. High protein diets may toward weight loss, but this type of weight loss may only be short term. This is because the excess protein consumed is usually stored as fat, while the surplus of amino acid is excreted. The second one is health problems. Some high protein diet restrict carbohydrate intake so much that they can result in nutritional deficiency or insufficient fiber, which can cause problems such as bad breath, headache, and constipation. The third one is kidney damage. A high protein diet may worsen kidney function for people with kidney disease. This is because their body may have trouble eliminating all the waste product that consists of protein metabolism. The fourth one is calcium loss. Diets that are high in protein and meat may cause calcium loss. This is sometimes associated with osteoporosis and poor bone health. This happens because the intake of calcium in their body is too low because they focus on protein intake. The last one is heart disease. Eating lots of red meat and full-fat dairy food as part of high protein diet may lead to heart disease. This could be related to higher intake of saturated fat and cholesterol.
In conclusion, high protein diet have advantage and disadvantage. High protein diet has considerable beneficial effect on safety and weight control, which is it is good for obese individuals. There are some caveats to high protein diet, such to increase acid load to kidney or high fat content of animal protein. The awareness of this caveat will help individuals to consume high protein diet to get most benefit of it. So, individuals should have balanced diets and meals with the mix of the nutrients.